Okay, so I want to add these individuals. Say that, hi guys, this group is to have interaction directly on the incident management. Please pulse over here if you have any queries which needs to be addressed or for any information. Okay, so the moment I'm going to send this message has been sent to these many individuals. Okay, and those individuals can able to reply back, and then you can able to see the chat from here. Okay, and if you want to see this more in a specific special window, you can able to click over here. Okay, so there is another window which you will. Sorry, Paul, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just curious about this messaging. So like you send out a message, to 4 different individuals. So you know that you send out 4 messages to 4 different people, but these users probably don't know about it, right? I mean, they only know that you are the sender who actually sent this message, but he cannot see the other people names in that message, right? Is it correct?
Oh, they can able to see all the individuals.
Okay, okay. So it's just like a Skype kind of thing, like
It's
we.
for any kind of things.
Okay.
Okay, imagine that if I've added over here, so the people is going to be David Miller. So let me impersonate as David Miller, and let's see how exactly the message is going to go. The first message will be that a group has been created and you have been added, and then the other message. So you can see we have got 2 messages.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you want to see this like this, you
Yeah.
can able to who are in the group and who are the individuals.
So is any way that we can probably set up a agent who, I mean, like a virtual person or agent, who can respond to you back, because I
That
think
is
that,
that
huh?
is available. That is available over here. So we have a virtual agent plugin which you can able to use, and that is boom in the market right now. So virtual agent install like managing and all the stuff.
Okay. So, in order to learn about that agent, like how to set up and configure the agent or plugin, are
No,
you going to cover it, right? A little bit
no,
whenever you would discuss it, huh?
no, that's not we are covering over here in this specific course. Virtual
Oh,
agent is going to
virtual agent is a
only
different topic. Okay.
yes, because we have only few individuals who
Uh-huh.
have the knowledge experience in the virtual agent setup.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if you want to modify anything, you can able to do it from here. So you can able to give a name, incident management, or anything which you prefer. Okay, or if you want to add or remove numbers, you can able to do it from here. If you want to remove Rebecca, or if you want to add anything, that can be done from the start. Okay, you can able to use it as an internal messenger. And the last one is going to be the settings. Okay, and we have different settings in different sections in it. And if you see the user interface is quite good and we are not compacting anything and it is user friendly. But the moment you want to compress it or you want to compact it, you can able to do it from here. The moment you're going to click, you can see the user interface or the UI is been compacted. Okay, couple of people will prefer in this way, or a couple of people who don't want to do that. Okay, it's completely depends on the individual. So we have left them for it, so they can able to manage their own settings. And if you see, okay, so if I'm going on the incidents or anything, okay, So here you can see the format of the date is going to be like this. So you can see the year, the month, the dates, okay, and then hours, minutes, and seconds as well. If you want to compact the list date and time, okay, so this is a list view. We are going to talk about it, and if you want to compress it or if you want to compact it, you can able to do that. So the moment you're going to click, now you can see that the seconds will not be available. Okay, the second section or will be hidden over here. Sorry. Okay, so if you don't want to, you can get back the seconds as well. Okay, and keyboard shortcuts. So to copy or to navigate or any kind of things which you want to enable, you have to make sure that it has been enabled. Okay, and we have home pages and dashboards available in ServiceNow. Okay, so the moment you are going to click over here, okay, so you will be redirected to the home page, and if you are going to click over here, you will be redirected to the dashboards. Okay, so these are the dashboards, and this will also act as a home page. Okay, these two will act as a home page, and we have this for dashboards. But if you're not using home pages all the time, so if you're using only dashboards, then you have the option to select. So whenever you're going to click on home, where exactly you want yourself to be redirected, to home pages or dashboard. Now you can see that this will be, I'll be redirected to the home pages. But if you want yourself to be redirected to the dashboards, you have to select over there. Okay, then instead of home pages, you will be redirected to the dashboards. Okay, but my suggestion is go for home pages because you have a separate module for it. Okay, and then we have the calendar. So if you see the date and the time, okay, now you can see the full date and the full time. But what if you want to say that, saying that, hey, it will be nice if I'm going to see like one day ago or 1 week ago or 1 month ago or 1 year ago. You can able to do that time ago. So if you're going to click over here, instead of date and time, you will be shown how about 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 1 month ago, 5 months ago, and different things, which is a while ago. And if imagine that you don't want to ago or any kind of thing, but if you want to have both, you can able to do that. The moment you're going to click over here, you can able to see these things, that while ago and then the date and time also. Okay, and it is completely depends on the individuals and which time zone you are in. So you can able to decide your time zone accordingly if you're working from Central, Pacific, Mountain, Eastern, or wherever you are. So I'm from Central, I can able to click as Central. Okay, so these are the general settings, and we have themes available in ServiceNow. Okay, so you can able to make it as blue or green or red, black and white, or anything. If you are a colorful person, you can able to use it ServiceNow according